Whisper a prayer in the morning. Whisper a prayer at noon. Whisper a prayer in the evening. So keep your heart in tune. God answers prayer in the morning. God answers prayers at noon. God answers prayers in the evening. So keep your heart in tune. Jesus may come in the morning. Jesus may come at noon. Jesus may come in the evening. So keep your hearts in tune. Angels are here in the morning. Angels are here at noon. Angels are here in the